Hi everyone, Jack Huang from RosterElf here to walk you through assigning pay templates to your team. Accurate pay templates help you budget smarter when rostering and make payroll exports a breeze. Today, I'll show you how to set them up so each employee is paid the right rate every time. How to access staff payroll settings. Go to the Staff tab and select the employee you wish to edit. For example, open the staff list and tap Amelia. Open the Payroll tab inside that staff card. This reveals employment and pay options ready for updating. Set type of employment to casual, part-time, full-time. Choose whether to apply pay templates by site or position. Select the option that best matches your pay structure. How to apply pay templates by site. Select Site in the Apply Award by field. This tells RosterElf to pay the employee based on where they work. For each site, open the drop-down and pick the correct pay template. RosterElf will now pay that employee the site-specific rate each time they clock in. How to apply pay templates by position. Select Position in the Apply Award by field. Use this when staff hold multiple roles with different pay rates. For each position, open the drop-down and choose the matching pay template. RosterElf will pay the position-specific rate as soon as the shift is published. How to save assigned pay templates. Review your selections for every site or position to confirm they are correct. When everything looks right, click Save. RosterElf will remember these templates for future rosters and payroll exports. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is ready to help 7 days a week, so reach out anytime. Happy rostering!